Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest content. Today, we're taking a look at the car air fresheners air vent outlet odor perfume diffuser. This product is a game changer with its special features including a soft and smooth material made of ABS and nanofibers. The item weight is a mere 50 kilograms, making it ultra light and convenient for use. It's compatible with a wide range of car models, including Ford, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Kia, and Nissan, so you can use it in almost any car. But that's not all. This product is a multitasking wonder. Not only is it a fantastic air freshener, but it also doubles as a window cleaning tool, a car washing brush, a windshield cleaning wash tool, and a car front windshield defogging brush. The material of the product is an ultra-fine fiber which ensures durability and long-lasting use. The car air freshener comes in a repair tool kit with items such as repair gel, cotton swabs, cleaning cloth, tape, wiping cloth, and a stirring rod. This means that you have everything you need to keep your car in tip-top shape, all in one package. More than just cleaning, this product is designed to tackle all car maintenance needs, maintaining the pristine condition of your vehicle. It removes scratches, water stains, dirt, and stubborn residues, keeping your car looking brand new. The car air vent outlet offers a pleasant smell, making your driving experience even more enjoyable. The perfume and fragrance it releases is long-lasting, ensuring that your car smells fresh every time you step in. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to all your car maintenance needs, this is the product for you. Click on the link in the description to get your hands on the car air fresheners air vent outlet odor perfume diffuser today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy driving.